Hello everyone, my name is Austin from Marin Acura, and today I'll be showing you guys a tutorial on how to turn off your auto idle start stop on your 2016 BMW 428i. So in order to access this feature, you must first go to the start stop button right here to turn on your engine. And what you're gonna do, next to it, there's gonna be this button right here that has an A around it with an arrow and it says off. What you're gonna do, you're just gonna press on it, and what's gonna happen is it's gonna say right there indicating that it's turned off, and you can turn it on again by pressing the button again. And basically what this feature does is, for example, you're in a stoplight and you fully depress on your brakes, what the engine's gonna do is gonna turn itself off to maximize fuel efficiency. And if you want to press on the gas again, the engine will turn on again, and then you could be set to whichever destination you're going. And yeah, my name is Austin from Marin Acura, and thank you guys for watching.